Hi there, job seekers. Welcome to Trending Jobs. We are here to talk about job opening in Cisco company as intern type of job for business analyst role for 2021 and 2022 pass out batch only. This opening is posted very recent, so please apply as soon as possible before it gets expired. Primary job location would be Bangalore, India. They are looking for skills required as excellent in data analytics, problem solving and decision making skills, good time management skills, and the ability to prioritize work capability, can do attitude, and so on. Qualification required as graduation, post graduation like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA, MBA, or equivalent university degree in technology. Please continue watching this video till the end and we will provide you all the details about this opening. I hope you find this video informative. If so, please do like, share the same within your network and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's go to official company's career page and we'll see what exactly company looking in candidates for this particular requirement. As you can see here, you will get position as business analyst intern position. Job location would be Bangalore, India. Job ID is as mentioned 1295444 and job type as intern. Talking about job description, then it would be kind of different role like business analyst, innovation to propel business transformation while maintaining operational quality. Also, digital solution to generate cost saving and efficiency gains for enterprise growth and success. Talking about your roles and the responsibilities, then you will innovative solutions to real business challenges, collaborative on multiple cross-functional projects, analyzing intern processes, data and problems, identifying issues and area for improvement, identifying new businesses, models and benefits from enabling new capabilities, mapping internal processes. Talking about your experience, knowledge and qualification, then recent graduation on your final year of studies towards a bachelor's or master degree in business management, finance, math, accounting, information systems, or a related field from an accredited institution before the program start date, minimum of an 8.5 CGPA or equivalent. The requirement is for 2021 and 2022 pass out only. Excellent analytical problem solving and decision making skills, high level of customer orientation and service excellence, efficient collaboration skills with internal, external customer and cross functional teams, excellent communication skills, can do attitude, proactive engagement, solution seeking, and team player in global environment, good time management skills, and ability to prioritize work capacity. So, I have briefed you all the key highlights of this opening. Please check out complete details very carefully on complete job portal like position and primary location of the job, requirement of educational qualification, roles and responsibilities, requirement of technical expertise and professional experience, primary and secondary skill set, and so on. I am sharing with you the job link into description. Please check out complete details from there. So that's it for now. Wishing you all the very best. Thanks for watching. We'll come soon with another job opening. Till then, take care of yourself and your family.